for Margaret Morales' Starlight special treatment, we start version 1 with Prism Pearls sprinkled in the background. This is mainly on the upper background of the canvas. For Starlight version 2, we now add to the electric diamonds. For Starlight version 2, we now add Sapphire Crystals and simply sprinkle it in the blue areas on the canvas. So this would be mostly on her hair, some parts of the flower, and also some parts of her dress. And finally, for version 3, for Starlight, we now add electric diamonds to the highlights of her crown and also old gold crystals for the star on her forehead.